With the big winter storm moving in, we'll prepare for power outage. So we went ahead and started up all of our generator. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Cross our fingers.
We got some snow.
Snow day and we're going to Lowe's. They say they're open for a few hours. They'll be closed at 5, so we're gonna head down there and get some tile so we can tile our backsplash for our sink. That's what the road looks like where we live. Got some more snow coming down.
So I guess we're getting this one. That's our leftovers. Just using all our leftovers out. So it's been in there for 2 years, but it clumped up, so we had to break it down into powder.
It's way too close. So we're just been using the sheets that come with the tile to lay down in front so it doesn't get on our counter space once we start tiling. It's not a big space, should be done in no time.
I should have put it on the wall first.
Yeah, I like putting it on the wall.
Yeah, I like putting it on the wall like this.
Yeah, let's put it on the wall. That's easy. I'll put it on the wall and then you can tile. How about that? Which one do you want to do?
I haven't done this in a while.
Pick a job.
Put it on the wall, it's easier.
Alright.
There, I'll spread this a little around a little bit.
So this one has a little bit on here.
Okay.
Actually, we shouldn't even put the sink head in there. Tile first. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna get all over this. See?
No. Yeah, I think
Never mind. They sit in the back.
it's worse this way.
They sit in the back.
Just go get a sponge or a towel and wipe this off.
There's some more over here. So beautiful.
Yeah, this one got the water, and put water on that one.
How clean do you want it?
Pretty clean, actually, really spotless.
I think it's pretty clean.
But it's not.
It does have a rough texture.
Yeah, because of sand. You gotta get all the sand off that thing. If not, you're gonna have a lot of trouble cleaning it. We're gonna spend more time cleaning it. I learned my lesson from the other bathroom.
Well, we got super lucky. No power outage this week. But another winter storm is on its way, so let's see what happened next week. We still have our generator ready for another power outage if it happens. We got a space heater pointing at the tile, so hopefully it dries faster, but we're done. Except the little tiny spots on the bottom, which we'll get to later down there. But pretty much, it's almost done. Needs some grout, but we're gonna do that later, let it dry for a little bit and start building our box first. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.